Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to share with you how to use a flat angle Kabuki brush to carve out and contour the cheeks in just a few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off by taking your brush and going into your contour powder, what we're going to do is get the product, like you can see here, just on the edge of the brush at first. And what we're going to do at the beginning here is carving out the cheeks. So taking that edge of the brush, you just want to place the product, creating where you would like your contour to be. Kind of like that. Then what you're going to do is placing the brush flat onto your face. You're going to use the brush to then help buff and blend everything out. This brush is great for contouring because, again, you can use the edge of the brush here to first place your product and then using the brush to also blend everything in. So it's kind of like an all-in-one brush for you. Like you can already see the difference with the contour over on this side, no contour on this side. Really helps just to kind of shape and lift up those cheekbones and make your face appear a little bit slimmer as well. Get up onto the temples using the flat side first, the edge, and then you're going to blend everything out. You can even do this right on the sides of the nose here. Using just the edge of the brush makes it very easy to make that precise line, and then you can flip the brush on its side and just kind of blend it down, creating a very natural shadow on your nose as well. And here you have the completed look using the flat angled Kabuki brush to chisel and contour the face in just a few easy, simple steps.